What's up? What's up? Candace Michelle here, and I am coming to you guys with Tutorial Tuesday. Whoop whoop. Anyway, Tutorial Tuesday is all about tips and tricks for your makeup routine. So I'm gonna hop right in and get started. Today's Tutorial Tuesday is about preventing creasing on these eyelids, okay? So sometimes, after you have gotten your makeup done or after you have done your makeup, sometimes your makeup can slip. I will say our pros pretty much know how to handle this, but if you personally are doing your makeup, you got to make sure that this doesn't happen, especially if you're going to wear your makeup for hours, okay? So couple things, couple products that you can use. You can use invisible oil blotting strips, and you can get them from pretty much any brand. I use Walgreens brand, quite honestly. You can also use a product that I love called Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Powder. And basically it's almost like a miracle product. So once you have washed your face, cleaned your face, and you have blotted some of the oil away, you go ahead and put that on underneath and above, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. But it works gloriously and it helps you get a really smooth finish with your eyeshadow. So stay tuned, and by all means, let me know what you think. All right, peace.